Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming you have an administrator account and the password. Without it, you can't disable screen time. Next, open System Preferences on macOS or Settings on Windows. Use the Apple menu or Start menu to get there quickly. Once you're in, find the Screen Time or Digital Wellbeing section. This is where controls live. Make sure to pause any background updates so the Settings panel remains responsive before you proceed to the next step. Now you'll disable the controls. Select the user profile if needed, then review active rules so you know what will change. Turn off app limits first, because it can block immediate access, then disable downtime and any content and privacy restrictions. Doing them in order prevents hidden locks. After that, flip the main screen time toggle to off. On macOS, it's a simple switch. On Windows, you remove the policy or toggle the family setting. Save or confirm changes so they stick. Finish by restarting the computer so changes apply system-wide. This clears cached restrictions. If screen time still asks for a password, sign out and sign back in with the administrator account, then reopen settings to verify the toggle stayed off. Make sure family or cloud-linked accounts aren't reapplying rules. Check each device's screen time and the family organizer settings. If the issue persists, remove the device from the family group briefly and repeat these steps. Then re-add it once confirmed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.